In this video, I'll guide you through the complete setup process for a Google-powered smart TV. These steps should work with popular TV brands such as Sony, Hisense, TCL, and most other televisions running the Android TV or Google TV operating system. Before we begin, make sure your TV is connected to a power outlet and that you have inserted the batteries into the remote. I have already unboxed the TV and connected it to power. After turning it on for the first time, this is the welcome screen that appeared. From here, I'll show you exactly what to select and how to complete the setup step by step. So first, use your remote to select your language. I am going to select English. Next, select your country region where you live. After that, we will need to select the option Set up with Google TV. Now, we can set it up using a mobile phone by installing the Google Home app and then scanning the QR code. But I will go ahead and select the option Set up on TV instead, just to show you the whole process on the TV. Okay, now, just connect to your existing Wi-Fi. Select it and then enter the password. You will be able to type it using the on-screen keyboard. There you go. We are now connected to the internet. Once that's done, sign into your Google account. If you connect the account that you use on a daily basis, you will then see all the recommendations based on that. Okay, on the next screen, here are some permissions that you must enable or disable for Google services. I will remove the location service and select Accept. We will click No Thanks right here. Now here you can either select these apps shown on the screen and then click Confirm, or just leave it and install these apps later on your own, once the TV has been set up. Now it just needs you to pair the TV remote. Hold on to the Home and the Big Center OK button at the same time for 5 to 10 seconds until the remote has been paired successfully. Make sure to be as close to the TV as possible. Okay, now we just need to accept the Google terms and conditions. Read them carefully and then you can press Agree. Now just press OK a couple of times until your TV shows the setup screen. Here it will just add the finishing touches, install apps, and based on your internet connection, it can take somewhere about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, select the option My Home and specify where the TV is placed. I will select Living Room. Once that's done, you will be all set up and ready to go. So this is basically a Google TV, so you can find all your apps in the Google Play Store. You can even search for them, even using the voice search option. So that's all there is to it. Hope this video helped you get started with your smart TV. If you face any issue during the setup, you can comment down below, and I'll answer each comment individually. Also, make sure to subscribe as there are a lot of Google TV tips and tutorials coming your way on this very channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.